Text or heading. Recipe Biryani. Take pan. Take cooking oil. Take oil as you like. Take to cut onion. Take chopped garlic, cut sliced ginger. When onion brown, add chicken meat. Add 3 tomatoes cut. Add salt, red chili, turmeric. Mix garam masala, cumin. Add green chili. Already dip in water, imli water add. Add lemon cut slice dry, aloo bukhara. All well cooked korma ready. Separate water boiled, add sabat garam masala, and wash dip 2 hours rice add. Now first layer korma, second rice. Lastly, add little food color water. After on dam 10 min. Biryani is ready. Tasty. Good looking.
Love is life. Recipe Biryani. Take pan, put oil. Add cut sliced ginger. Add 2 cut onion, chopped garlic. When onion brown, add chicken meat. Add cut tomatoes, green chili. Add salt, red chili, turmeric, mix garam masala, cumin as your taste. Add imli, already dip in water. Rice boiled half cook with sabat garam masala and strain out. Now korma add in pan. Add half boiled rice. Add food color. Rice on dam 10 minutes. And biryani ready.